Well, I guess in a lot of ways, the laundry business is you're in the real estate business,
Yes,
as we're talking about, right here. Do you enjoy that aspect of it? And how does that, fit into your plan as far as real estate? And do you have other real estate? Have you dabbled in other things or I don't know.
I do enjoy it because I only have one renter that rents off me. It was part of the 2011 purchase of a
Mhm,
Kokomo or in Kokomo of a laundromat building
mhm,
and a bigger building. And the renter that I have now is great. If I had other properties, I wish I had personalities and respect of him in all of them. Where he pays early, and if he's late, it's because he hasn't caught me at the laundromat to give me give me
right,
rent payment and stuff. And all the others, I'm self rented to myself, so I'm my best landlord and my best tenant because a problem doesn't occur and then I
mhm,
forget to tell the landlord and it gets worse over time. So,
mhm,
and there's sometimes that I do rent out one. I do rent three locations. My most recent purchases of 23 and 24 to make the laundromat purchase, he desired to keep the real estate for 5 years. And he's a good landlord. He improved store number six. He put new windows and stuff in it, spent quite a
mhm,
bit of money improving it. And that's the thing where if you have a good relationship with a person that's your landlord, I think it's a lot better than a big company where you have to, fill out a repair order or something like that. But
right.
and really the real estate becomes your best investment in the business because say an owner wants to retire like Wade did. Wade is downsizing. He still has an asset that he's going to collect rent and he has nothing to worry
Mhm,
about of equipment issues and stuff like that. And, when you're ready, you can still sell the real estate off. And depending on when you got in the business, the value of it's probably grown quite a bit. Of course, there's
mhm,
hesitations acquiring real estate that has had dry cleaners in them in the past, depending on when they were constructed and stuff. But
right.
I think it's a better investment but every town is different. There are some towns you couldn't afford to buy it, and it doesn't make sense because your opportunity to get into the business is so much higher. And unless you have the capital to do so,
Mhm,
it's almost impossible to own your real estate everywhere.
right.
But in my markets, it's affordable, and it's something I always say when I'm ready to retire, I'll sell the laundromats and keep the real estate. But some
Mhm,
of it, if the right opportunity came along, I'd sell it all off because you can wash your
mhm,
hands of all the responsibilities. But
mhm,
it remains an asset that should hold its value pretty well as long as you take care of it. And
mhm.
yeah, that's the main thing.